Yo, what's going on, guys? What's going on? So, how's everybody feeling? A lot of panic out there right now. A lot of panic. People freaking out. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. All right, let's talk about it, guys. Let's get into it a little bit. Came on a little bit later because I knew that Max was streaming and he hasn't streamed in like, I don't know, a week or something like that. So I didn't want to be streaming at the same time as him. So, how's everybody doing? Let's get into the comments. I'm sure we got some spicy ones today, man. By the way, guys, make sure you smash the likes and sub to the channel to help the channel grow, guys. Be greatly appreciated. We only need 6 subs to get to 5,500. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Drain the Swamp, Rose Ondo flip going on FOMO now. What's Ondo doing right now? Is it dampen? Is it dampen? No, it's 7.5% down. Yeah. Love Ondo, though, man. Love Ondo. Rosa, beautiful DCA opportunities, guys. Stay positive and hold it. Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Funky, what's up, man? Well, I slept the entire day. Seems I must have missed something with all the red. No, nothing special, nothing spectacular. Just a correction. Reasons behind the hard bleed. I wouldn't say this is a hard bleed. I mean, most of the projects are only down, like Crow's only down 4.5%, Casper 4.5%, Glimmer's only down 1.2. Some are taking, like this is a meme. GME's a meme coin, so that doesn't really count. But most of these projects are single digits down. It's not that bad, really. Quant's only down 0.8%. Like this is not bad, guys. This is not a bad dip at all. Swift, the only reason Swift and that are down so much is because they've been pumping so hard, right? So they've been up so much over the last little while. JASMY's holding 363. So as long as JASMY holds that 3 cent 5 level, we're fine on JASMY. I was telling you guys 2 days ago that it would be healthy for JASMY to pull back down to about 3 cents 5. Even 3 cents even would be healthy, to be honest with you. So there's not really anything, horrible going on here, guys. J-Bond, who the fuck wants to DCA all the time? I could use some green candles. Yes, the market is down. The market is down. But I would say this. What a fantastic opportunity for you, right? Absolutely amazing. Tara, hey, Robin, Jasmine family, blood and FUD out there. Have patience. This too shall pass. Hope some people get to load up some more. Yes, absolutely, man. Absolutely. Luke, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Plain Dave. Hey, Rob. Do you have a target on Helium Mobile? Had to cough there. Helium Mobile, I mean, honestly, somewhere around 20 cents would be fine for Helium Mobile, 20, 25 cents. Conservatively, I like to be conservative. So I would say 20, 25 cents is where you should, depending on how many tokens you hold. If you're holding a couple of milli, I mean, if you can get out at 18 to 20 cents, you're golden, right? J-Bond, 41 to 36. One more percentage, and we're going to 3 cents on my screen. I won't be happy. Y'all try to sell, please. Try not to sell. Hey, man, like I said, it's a great opportunity, man. Like, this is, like I said, man, really honestly have a look around here for a second, right? Besides some of the meme coins and stuff, nothing's really down that much. Like, we've seen way worse than this, guys. This is nothing. Look at, like I said, Quant's only down 0.8%. XLM's only down 1.2. Like, Link's only down 2.9. Like, this is nothing. We've seen days where everything's down 20, 30%. This is nothing, guys. SEI's only down 5%. I don't know what everybody's upset about here. These are some great entry points, man. These are some great DCA opportunities. I know I'm going to be buying some stuff tonight. I don't know. I don't know why everybody's upset. It's just, it's my girl's time of the month, so I blame the blood on the streets because of that. It will be over soon. Tell her to smarten up, man. Tell her to smarten up. Rob, you better pull the magic whip and make this right. I got you, brother. I got you covered. I got you guys covered. Quick recovery tomorrow, guys. In all honesty, guys, like I made a video about it, right? But another thing that I want you guys to take into consideration now, is it 100%? Of course not, right? But I would say this to you. Wednesday, guys, we have the FOMC, and we also have the CPI numbers the same day, right? This is setting up to be a perfect storm for the end of this month and going into July. We have those. Guys, this could be phenomenal, okay? If Wednesday turns out to be bullish, if Jerome Powell even hints at they're thinking about cutting rates in July, right? Market's going to respond. If we can get Bitcoin to pump up to 72K, there's about $4 billion in shorts that are going to get liquidated. So we're going to have a short squeeze at 72K. And once it hits 74K, I believe there's another like $9 or $10 billion of shorts at 74K. So we're going to have a double short squeeze, which is probably going to propel Bitcoin's price potentially between $80,000 and $100,000, just like that, right? Now, what do you think that's going to do to the altcoins? Then I would also submit to you that it's potential that we could have the S-1 filings on the Ethereum ETF approved by the end of the month, right? So you get that going, you get the Ethereum ETFs active, and holy crap, perfect storm is brewing, guys. The potential is there. You got to zoom out. You got to look at the bigger picture. Who cares if it's red today? Because it's going to be green, 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 baby. Green, green, green. You have to remember, after 74K, there are no resistance levels on BTC all the way up to the psychological level of about $100,000, guys. That's a big jump, not just for Bitcoin, but for the altcoins as well, right? So, little bit of perspective, man. Rob's got your back, right? Rosa, high leverage people are afraid of the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, so they're unloading. Plus, the fear and greed index is too high. How can we see big green candles with over leveraged madness? I agree. Luke, what's up, buddy? Good evening, Rob. Lots of DCA opportunities. Looking at the big picture when BTC rises, lifting up altcoins as well. Yes, exactly, Luke. 100%, brother. You got it. Funky says, J-Bond, you can't be mad when things are on sale unless you're trying to return now without receipt. Just buy the dips and don't think of selling until at least October. Then just be happy with the dip. 100%, man, 100%. Now I hate dips. I bought them way too many times. I bought the dip of the dip of the dip of the dip. I bought till it got a little over a mil, then moved on. Wish I hadn't now, though. Should have aped all in. I'm not selling until 30 cents-ish. Keeping most of the portfolio up to $1. Nice. Good idea, man. Good idea. I'm selling what I got invested at 20 cents. That should be a 10x for me. Should hit that by November, December. Easy. Absolutely, man. The last I sold JASMY around 32 cents. Have been DCAing on the way down and slowly back up. My average is 207 for the record. Nice. That's a decent average considering the current price, man. Would be crazy if they dropped interest rates. Yeah, that would be insane. Could you imagine? I mean, 3 countries have done it in the last week, so by 25 basis points. So it's entirely possible that it could happen, right? Entirely possible, guys. Nothing is impossible in crypto. Remember that. And by the way, guys, we only need 5 subscribers to hit 5,500. So if you're watching, smash that subscribe button and help push us up over. That would be absolutely awesome of you. Brooksy, what's up, man? Everything plummeting? It's a little bit of an exaggeration, but everything's down a little bit. Drool, haha, mine's at 2 cents average. Death Bank, new investors getting beat in. Everything's on sale. Got to keep the right mindset for crypto. This ain't stocks. Yes, I agree. My average was way lower, but I bought more and more. Honestly, is I had to some dry powder. I'll keep buying. Yeah, that's the thing. When you get such a low entry point, and you know, Jasmy's a perfect example of a project that, let's say your entry point is like 204, 205, whatever, 206, right? Even at 3 cents, if you know Jasmy's going to $1, I mean, at that point, your cost average be damned, because it's still a good DCA opportunity, right? Because you know where it's going. So buying it at 3 cents when it's going to $1, I mean, hell, it's still a good opportunity, right? After the bear market, these dips have no effect on me. Yeah, no kidding, man. Wait till we're in that first year of 2026, when the market starts to plummet from the top all the way to the bottom. Every day, everything's down like 40, 50, 60% every day, man, for like a year, right? That's when it gets really, really interesting. So this is what you see every day for 12 months, right? When things pop back, they will rock your world. Absolutely. Sold everything for a decent profit, waiting to get back in. Nice. Hopefully you get back in soon. Michael, need to ask the Russian warships that pull Cuba if they want to buy some Pepe. Hey, Rob, what's up? What's going on, man? What's going on? Rob, save the day, broski. I'm on it, Brotato. Market's moving down. That's okay, man. That's okay. DCA is a good opportunity. Yeah, Quant's holding up nicely. Those who have been in the channel for a while and follow Rob's lead, these dips don't have any effect. My portfolio as a whole stays green. Yeah, that's the thing. My portfolio as a whole right now, it's not in the red. It's just down today, but it's not in the red as a whole. Absolutely. I agree, man. I agree, brother. Why is the market dipping? No particular reason that I can find. It's just, is what it is, man. Charts are the charts. We had a little bit. I mean, there's a lot of shorts happening right now. There's a lot of shorts over on Bitcoin, and maybe some of these people are kind of selling off right now. I don't know, right? But I mean, guys, this honestly, if you look at this right here and this panics you, you got to get your emotions in check, man. This is nothing. This is nothing. Seriously, I'll go through it again, guys. Look, NIR's only down 4%. Solana's only down 2.3%. Aptos 3.3%. SEI 4.8%. Quants is almost even. Sandbox 3.1%. Even like stuff like, Stronghold 6% down. AGX, Loopring. Like Maddox almost even. Ethereum's only down 2%. Guys, this should not emotionally bother you at all. This is nothing. This is a joke. Wait till we see when everything's down like 30% and stuff like that, right? That's a problem. This is nothing. This will be recovered tomorrow. Can we get long format XCN video in the near future? Just had 3 friends invest into it. 2 have 1 million coins, and 1 has 3 million. Just not a lot of info out there on XCN within 6 months a year ago. Yeah, I do XCN videos. I try to do at least 1 or 2 a week. I just did one the other day. So, but I am planning to do one on their white paper coming up soon. So, Rodney, I love it. Opportunity to make more money. Yes, exactly. Just a great opportunity for new people to get excited and get in. Yes, feel the FOMO. David, time is money. Another great DCA. HODL Jasmy has changed my life already. Absolutely, man. Art, what's up, man? How will Jasmy bleed this higher low? How will Jasmy bleed this higher low? I don't understand the question, my friend. Dilly, I heard Goldman Sachs has ties to XCN. Have you heard anything like that? I read something about it, right? But I'm not sure if it's the same Oxycoin project. So I need to look into it a little more. Flipping between you and Max, just saying, see you on a replay later today. It's 5 in the morning here. Max is still streaming? He's been streaming for over 2 hours now. I started 2 hours late because I knew that he was streaming. So I figured he'd maybe be done by now. Well, 3 more subs, guys. We only need 3 more to get to 5,500. Smash that subscribe button. Help us out. Tell Max I said hey, by the way, if you're still in his chat. WF Capital, what's up, man? I want ECN to move sometime soon, but already laid back and patient. ECN? You mean, did you mean to hit XCN? Anyone in the chat use Helium Mobile Service? $20 a month seems good, but wondering about RWU. I don't use it personally, but that would be, yeah. If you find anything out, Funky, let me know, man. Market's so interesting, isn't it fair? Isn't it, sir? Yes. If everyone became excited to the green days, yeah, I gotta be excited on the red days, man. I get FOMO on the red days, not just the like the green days, man. I get FOMO on the red days. Travis, lots of FUD talk, but people trading on the FUD, it's crazy. I don't care about your utility and use. I just care about popularity. Lily, what's up? Good to see you. Good to see you. Red only matters if you're buying, because we all know we don't sell on red. So red is a good thing. Yes. And guys, if you can't DCA, if you don't have any money to DCA tonight, there's nothing wrong with that. Not everybody does, right? So, I mean, just put your portfolio away tonight and don't worry about it, right? It's down for the night, right? Could be up tomorrow. Could be up Wednesday, right? So who cares, really? I mean, honestly, just put your portfolio away. Wake up tomorrow, you'll probably see green, right? It's all good in the hood. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing on a string, right? Juan, good evening, Rob. Shorting on JASMY right now. Nice. Tom, what's up, buddy? Good evening, Rob. I believe good things are coming around the corner. Can't wait to see what will happen. Yes, I believe. I agree, my friend. Like button too. Yes, absolutely. Smash that like button as well as the subscribe button for sure, man. Absolutely. Still just need 3 subs, guys. 3 subs. Let's smash it up. Let's reach our goal. Late response, but isn't 20 cents a psychological number for Helium Mobile? Wouldn't you want to sell orders before then? Yeah, you would want to put in sell orders around 17, 18 cents, right? Swiftcoin, interesting. It goes up when BTC goes down. See that consistently. I never really noticed that, but maybe. I think Swiftcoin was going sideways for quite a while, though. On Swift, it was going up for a few days while BTC was falling. Yes, I agree with that. My average is 2071. Nice. Something feels fishy about mainnets and AWT. Not looking good for either project. Give it time, man. Give it time. People said the same thing about JASMY. People said the same thing about Algorand when Algorand was 8 cents. Like, doesn't faze me, man. Doesn't faze me. Listen, and here's the thing. Even if both of them went to zero tomorrow, that's why, 1, diversification matters, and 2, you can't hit on every single project in your portfolio, right? You're not going to hit on every single one of them. You're going to hit on a few of. You only need to hit on a few of them, right? But that being said, I still have full faith in both projects. If they go to the moon, they go to the moon. If they don't, then they don't. I still have like 18 other projects that are going to take me to the moon. So remember April 12th, big drop, and then a lot of all-time highs were hitting soon after. This isn't bad. This is normal if you look at the charts. Agree 100%, Richard. 100%, brother. Apes and FOMO just aped in early. JASMY to 2 cents, 8. I told you. XCN to the moon. JASMY done for now. Looks like the memes are down most. This is typical dip. Yes. XCN and Swift. Yep. XCN and Swift. Let's pump it up. Lily says hit the likes. Absolutely, man. XCN to 1 cent. That's going to be a nice little target, man. Reminds me of the JASMY days. JASMY's not even close to done. JASMY's taking a break. JASMY ran up for how freaking long? But I agree with you. XCN is going to be the next to pump it up, baby. Helium's the biggest network. Nobody's on. XEN is the coin. What do we got? I'm here. Mary, what's up? Good to see you. Cheers, cheers. Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Fungi Action. I've been checking out Helium on the DeFi side. Not a lot of activity on the network unless you're in the deep, large city. Yeah, I mean, not a lot of use for Helium Mobile right now. Probably don't have a lot of people using it. It's a tough egg to crack, though, right? It's a tough narrative, so to speak, right? To get people to switch over from phone companies and plans that they're comfortable with, right? Buy the dip, absolutely, man, absolutely. Ty, what's up, buddy? The FOMC meeting is Wednesday, right? Things could go either way. You think a bearish news, Jasmy could retest 3 cents even? Well, yeah, it's also the CPI numbers on Wednesday as well, so it's a double shot, right? And if it comes bullish, sky's the limit, brother. But yes, if it turns out bearish, Jasmy could retest 3 cents even. Absolutely, it could. It would take quite a bit though to drop it through that 3 cent 5 support level. But if it does, then yeah, it could test 3 cents even. Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Rusty, ETF is bad for crypto. It will only bring more and more and bigger whales. Yeah, but you know what? I don't care because I'm only here for about 2 more cycles and then I'm gone. Then they can do whatever the hell they want with it, right? I love crypto, don't get me wrong, but at the end of the day, anyone who says they're not here to make money and they're here for just the tech or for the moral or the principle of what it stands for, then I mean, I don't know what to tell you, right? So once I make my life-changing wealth, once we've all made our life-changing wealth in a cycle or two, you can go buy an island somewhere or buy a house in the bush. Do you really care what happens with technology after that? Right? After you and your family have financial sovereignty, who cares, right? That's a problem for the people who are going to be getting into crypto once TradFi has gotten their deep claws into it, right? Julian, time to buy more. Absolutely, man. What do you think about Ethereum Meta? That sounds familiar. Did I look at that this week? It sounds familiar. Oh. Ethereum Meta. Let's have a look. Uh, 135 million market cap. Only 17% of the supply is in circulation. All-time high 6 years ago. How you can be 6 years old and only have listings on MetaMask and QuickSwap? I don't know, man. I don't really like this, to be honest with you. I don't really like it. It's having itself a good day today, but a good week, wow. It's having a good month, but I don't really like it. Look at that. Look at the year on it. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's a good year. But I still don't like it. I still don't like it. What was the all-time high? 7 cents. And what is it now? Wow. I would want to know, did something similar happen to this that happened to Luna? Because, I mean, like, look at that. 992 trillion tokens. That's crazy, man. I don't know what's up with that. This is a weird project. What's your exchange reserve, boss? What's our exchange reserves? Let me check. You lost me. I was like, what's mine? Hang on, let's have it. Let's have a look, brother. Let's have a look. We're sitting at about 14.4 billion on exchanges. Look at the black line. The price has passed. So this is what happens with supply and demand, guys. See how the supply on exchanges is going down, down, down. Guys, understand that there is only 14.4 billion JASMY available on exchanges, in exchange reserves. That's it. That's not a lot, guys, right? So look what's happening to the price as the reserves go down, 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 right? So very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. Have a good night, Rob. Going to bed. Work tomorrow. Have yourself a fantastic night, my friend. Panthers 4, Oilers 1. Oof, Oilers are getting stomped. That's 2 games now, man. Michael, Crypto Future, they played their big hand on CBRS radio setups that would communicate properly on existing networks for switchover. Certain phones only. Now they're pushing Wi-Fi hotspots. Yeah, you know what? Here's the thing about about Helium, though. When they were just Helium, HNT or whatever, in the last bull run, they said they were giving away miners / Wi-Fi hotspot routers, right? So I ordered 3 of them, and they never arrived. So I never got them. So I don't know. It was supposed to be a miner / Wi-Fi provider, and the miners never showed up. Scam. It's a quick pump and dump, 6 years and no exchanges. Yeah, exactly. Facts. That's what I'm thinking, man. Travis, you can tell the 2 exchanges bought reserves on Ethereum Meta. Yeah. Yeah, no kidding, man. No kidding. That's a weird one. Guys, we still just need 3 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button if you're new. We just need 3 to get up over 55 hundo. Let's get it done, guys. It would be fantastic. I'm going to be honest with you guys, though. Right now, I mean, if we're looking over at the JASMY chart, we're just a little below that support level at 3 cents. 3 cents 7. Wait, no, 3 cents 7. Yeah, 3 cents 7. Just a little bit below this 3 cents 7 level, right? As you can see, we tested it. We used it as support 4 times before this, and 4, 5, 6 times before it, and then it acted as resistance twice over here. So yeah, we're just below it, guys. I would think, honestly, just what I'm thinking, by the time you wake up tomorrow, I mean, it's nighttime where I am. It's 10:30 at night where I am. So by the time I wake up tomorrow, I have a feeling that this red candle that we're on right now is probably going to be wicked back up over the support level. I think this dip gets bought up, and I think we're going to wick right back up over it, right? That's just what I think is going to happen. So this candle has like freaking 17 hours left to go before it closes. So yeah, healthy pullback. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Healthy pullbacks are good. They're good in the hood, man. All right. What else do we got? Let's get into some of the news here, guys. Oh yeah. I did a separate video on this, but I wanted to show you guys something really, really cool. Now I did a video about 2 months ago because we did an X Spaces with Dip Metaverse and Little Bidman, I think, and Max was there, yeah. Icy Amphibian, a lot of the JASMY people over on X were there, right? And I brought up the point on the X Spaces that JASMY doesn't have any tags that they're supposed to have, right? So here's the thing. Oh, by the way, guys, normally I let you guys know. So I'm stepping away from the chat. I'm going to go through some of the news that we have because we've already been streaming for almost an hour. If you want to get my attention, fire your question over to Super Chat, and I'll jump right over to it, okay? So I said 2 months ago that JASMY needed more tag. They needed the tags. Now, what are the tags that they need to have, right? They need to have the AI tag over on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko because they only had the IoT tag, and that was it, right? So they needed the AI tag, they needed the DPIN tag, and they needed the RWA tag on top of the IoT, right? But for some reason, they didn't have them. But because of how well JASMY's been doing over the last little while, lo and behold, guys, if we go over to CoinGecko, and they didn't even announce it, they just did it. If we go to DPIN, right? Boop, boop, boop. Look, what's number 6, guys? They added the DPIN tag to JASMY, okay? Now you might ask, well, why is that important, Rob? Well, for one, it's a DPIN project, so of course it matters, right? But for two, when newer people are coming into crypto retail, right, and they're over on CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, if what you're hearing is that DPIN, right, is a big narrative in the bull run and DPIN projects are going to clean up, okay? What are you going to do? Well, you're going to go to the categories, and you're going to go to DPIN, and you're going to look at the projects under DPIN. That's why these tags are important, right? And what do you see? Well, I know this from experience based on talking to a lot of you guys, that a lot of people are searching for projects that are under 10 cents, under 1 cent, right? That's what they're looking for. Under $1, under 10 cents, under 1 cent. That's kind of what people look for, right? So when you go to the DPIN category, what do you see? Well, you've got Render at $8.50. You've got Filecoin at $5.69. You've got the graph. Oh, look, the graph's only 25 cents. Can we do any better than that? Oh, look, Arweave. Oof, Maron, $35.70. Theta's $1.90, not bad. But then you get to JASMY, 3 cents, right? 3 cents. Seems like a pretty freaking good deal. Now, another factor that I want to shine some light on is have a look at the market caps, guys. We're just a hair under Theta, and we're not that far under Arweave. JASMY can pass in market cap all these projects all the way up to Render. I think Render and Filecoin could give it a run for its money, but I think that at the end of the day, it could even pass Filecoin, right? And then we're just competing with Render. And as of right now, even Render is not that much higher in market cap than JASMY is, right? I mean, it's ranked 34th. JASMY's ranked, I mean, this is inaccurate. It's not actually ranked 60th. It's actually ranked right now 54th, right? So when you really zoom out and you look at that, JASMY could pass all these projects potentially, in my opinion, right? So very, very bullish, guys, that we finally got this tag. This is big, big stuff, right? Hopefully more tags to come, but we got the DPIN tag, guys. We got it. That's very, very awesome. All right, what else do we got? Check out good old Elizabeth Warren, guys. This is what Elizabeth Warren is concerning herself with. Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster with the economy in the shitter, right? And everything bad going on in the world. Elizabeth Warren is on the internet trying to get votes, talking about Ticketmaster prices. Listen to this.
Taylor Swift, Bad Bunny, Zach Bryan. No matter what artist you've tried to see, you've probably had a run-in with Ticketmaster and their parent company, Live Nation. And chances are, it was not a good experience. And that's what happens when one company controls pretty much an entire industry.
Like the government.
But I have good news. The Department of Justice has just filed a suit against Ticketmaster to end their domination of live entertainment.
So another branch of the government is overreaching and attacking a private company. Interesting.
Ticketmaster grew in the way that many near monopolies have grown. They bought out the competition. And now they control 80% of the ticket sales for major venues. They use this power to game the system and drive up the costs.
You don't say. Not unlike the government.
How? They threaten venues that work with other ticket issuers. They tell artists that they'll be barred from prime venues unless they use Ticketmaster.
Gary Gensler.
They charge you whatever they want. Today, Ticketmaster's fees amount to almost a third of a ticket's face value. And with their power over the industry, there was almost nothing anyone could do about it until now. The Department of Justice's lawsuit finally gives us a chance to stop Ticketmaster's predatory practices.
Like the SEC.
It's time to enforce antitrust laws and break up Ticketmaster.
It's time we break up the SEC. I agree. Everything she just said applies to the SEC. Everything she said. The audacity of this woman, I swear, there truly knows no depths, right? What else do we got? Check this out. So, fantastic response by Growth Dynamics. Shout out. Elon Musk tweets out, it's patently absurd that Apple isn't smart enough to make their own AI, yet is somehow capable of ensuring that OpenAI, will protect your security and privacy. Apple has no clue what's actually going on once they hand your data over to OpenAI. They're selling you down the river. Now, Growth Dynamics replies here, better to implement JASMY on X at the earliest and be a front runner that cares about users' own data with safety, security, and privacy based on blockchain-based decentralized personal data locker, patented technology from JASMY Inc. from Japan. Nice response. I would love to see X implement the PDL system, CyberTrust, and JASMY's PDL into X. That would be fantastic. Fantastic. It might stop all these hacks from happening and stuff, right? So yeah, very, very bullish. I would agree with that response directly to Elon Musk. Fantastic. Fantastic, man. And that's what we got to do, guys, right? Michael Vandepop says, it's an important week for Bitcoin and altcoins. This week, we've got CPI, PP, and FED meetings. Big week, like I talked about, guys. It's like clockwork. Every time these Fed meetings, the crypto market corrects substantially beforehand. Yes. And guys, that is true. If you'll go back in time and you look before we've had these meetings, every single time, a couple days before, the market dumps. And here we are, like Michael Vandepop says, like clockwork, baby, like clockwork. Absolutely. What else do we got? Watcher Guru says BlackRock now holds 304,976 BTC, worth $21 billion for their Bitcoin ETFs, guys. Guys, I keep telling you guys, I keep saying it, and some people tell me I'm wrong, but the supply of Bitcoin, guys, on reserves is running so low. Like let's pull it up here. BTC. Why is it not finding BTC? Bitcoin charts. I'm going to see if I can find the chart for Bitcoin here on CryptoQuant. Oh, here we go. Bitcoin. We're going to see how much Bitcoin is on exchanges right now. If we can find the right metric here. Showed me JASMY. Where is the balance on reserve? Exchange reserves. There we go. So Bitcoin on exchange reserves, all exchanges. How much Bitcoin is left in reserve, right? So this blue line here is the exchange reserves, guys. There is I'm trying to read that number, but it's so small. I can't be 2,928,000,000. Wow, that's not. Yeah, 2 billion 928,675. That's as of May 11th. That's why. So why doesn't it go any further than May 11th? What the hell's up with that? I don't know. I don't know why that's not accurate, guys. Yeah, no, that's from May 11th. I don't know why it's Crypto Quant's not giving me up-to-date numbers right now. Hoy, oof, Maron. All right, what else do we got? But the point is the supply on exchanges is dropping dramatically here, guys, right? Dramatically. We're seeing how much Bitcoin is being bought up from these ETFs on what seems like a daily basis. We now have had 19 days. Today will be 20 days straight of positive inflows on Bitcoin for these ETFs, guys. That's massive, right? Right. What else do we got? Okay, so we read this already. What do we got? So just in Japanese public company Meta Planet, purchased an additional 23.35 Bitcoin worth 1.6 million. You see, more gets bought up today. More gets bought up, guys. 23.35 more Bitcoin is gone forever, off reserve, unavailable to be purchased. It's disappearing rapidly, guys. It's disappearing rapidly. Supply and demand, it's going to kick in. So Ripple announcement here says they're proud to launch the XRPL Japan and Korea Fund to boost innovation and utility on the XRPL in APAC. Very, very bullish, guys. Includes corporate partnerships, dev grants, startup investments, and community growth. Ripple making moves out in Asia, guys. You'll love to see it. And guys, I got to play this again just because it's vitally important that you know this. I played it this morning, but your lives are in jeopardy, okay?
Well, if Bitcoin will become the ultimate type of a form of the currency been adopted by human society, I can tell exactly what's going to happen as the worst scenario or the must scenario. We're all going to die.
We're all going to die. If Bitcoin gets mass adoption, we're all going to die. Oh my God. I'm going to play that. I'm going to play that every day from now on. That's how we start every show. That is now the intro to every live stream. We're all going to die. Oh, that's so good. I got to share it. I never shared it. I got to share it. A tad bit of theater. Just a tad bit of theater, guys. Oh my God. You love it though. You love it. What do we got? U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis on Donald Trump. She says, you can orange pill the Oval Office by electing America's first Bitcoin president. Absolutely. Absolutely, man. Swing for the fences, baby. Swing for the fences. We also have some bullish Swift news. Guys, check it out. Maximize your earnings by utilizing Swift's all-chain bridge staking program now. Staking is available initially for TRX to earn up to 18% and NULS earn up to 8%, guys. I will go through a list of other projects you can stake on Swift, but very bullish, guys, that they have their staking program going strong. Love to see it. They continue to grow, guys. They continue to grow. New SEC just added the Ethereum ETF filing by ProShares to its website, guys. We're moving closer. We are moving closer. That was today, guys. Very, very bullish. I don't know how anybody's bearish right now, man. Insanity. All right. Ethereum ETF issuers still waiting on SEC for first round of S-1 comments sources. Prospective spot Ethereum ETFs. Well, actually, we'll just do this. There we go. Now, follow me over here. On the block. Okay. So, prospective spot Ethereum ETF issuers are still waiting for the SEC to provide comment on their S-1 filings after they submitted their first drafts on May 31st, according to two sources. The issuers have been anticipating the SEC would provide comments on these drafts on June 7th, according to one source based on the conversations. And that was 3 days ago, right? With the agency, yet at least two issuers have not received anything yet. One source said they now anticipate comments to come back this week. This comes after the SEC Gary Gensler said on CNBC that the approval of the S-1 forms could, quote, take a while. It's unclear exactly how long the process will take. One source previously told the block that they expect the S-1 forms to go through at least 2 more rounds of draft filings before they are ready. The S-1 forms are the second step in a 2-step process towards making the spot Ethereum ETFs go live for trading. The first step was the approval of the 19B-4 forms, which happened on May 23rd. The draft filings also reveal a few details. BlackRock is seeding its ETF with $10 million, while Franklin Templeton plans to start with 0.19% fee. When the spot Ethereum ETF goes live, a key question will be whether they can try to replicate the success of the spot Bitcoin ETFs. Bitfinex head of derivatives, Jag Kuhner, estimates that they will bring in around 10 to 20% of the inflows and have been going into spot Bitcoin ETFs. So they are anticipating a large level of success, one could argue. That being said, though, guys, Gary's going to try to slow run this, right? Take his sweet ass time just to piss us off, right? But that's okay, because eventually it's going to happen, right? Patience. That's why this industry requires patience, guys, right? People who don't have patience get wrecked, right? You make no money. That's why 90% of people in this space, they don't make no money, because they cannot hold their emotions in check. They cannot keep their together, right? And they end up losing out. Don't be those guys. That's not us. That's not this community, man. We will wait until the cows come home. How Bitcoin grabbed 1.9 billion of 2 billion weekly crypto inflows. 2 billion, that was the value of the total investments put into crypto products last week. CoinShares revealed, according to the report, Bitcoin's investments were worth about 1.97 billion. Ethereum also added to the capital with a 69 million input. This was the highest inflow the altcoin had registered since the peak of March. For those unfamiliar, CoinShares released a report every week. The publication aims to cover investment referencing digital assets, including cryptocurrencies. During the previous week, Bitcoin, as well as ETH, was in the spotlight with a dominance again. It seems the investors were confident in the short and long-term potential of this coin. However, James Butterfill, CoinShares head of research, revealed a few reasons for the focus on Bitcoin. According to Butterfill, the positive macro data announced last week played a significant part. He wrote that, quote, "We believe this turnaround in sentiment is a direct response to weaker than expected macro data in the U.S., bringing forward monetary policy rate cuts expectations. Positive price action saw total assets under management rise above the $100 billion mark for the first time since March of this year. Despite the improvements, BTC's traded sideways for most of the last 7 days. At press time, Bitcoin's price was 69,373. AMB Crypto looked at the STH-NUPL to assets and behavior of short-term investors. The STH and NUPL stands for short-term holders and net unrealized profit and loss. This metric considers the sentiment BTC holders who have held the coin for less than 155 days have. At press time, the reading of the metric was 0.085 and in the scope orange zone down here. This condition meant the most short holders were not confident that Bitcoin's price would increase in the short term. Therefore, demand for the coin might not be intense, suggesting that the price might continue moving sideways. They're talking about all of the frickin' shorts that are piling up on Bitcoin right now. In terms of the price, AMB Crypto analyzed the bull and bear indicators provided by Into the Block. This metric tracks the activity of addresses and bought or sold 1% of the trading volume in the last 24 hours. If the reading, is in favor of bulls, it means that most of the volume were by orders. On the other hand, a bearish dominance indicates an increase in selling pressure. By the look of things, a bearish market condition could send BTC to 68K. However, if things get better in the market, the coin could jump to 71 again. Well, right now we are holding 68.3. So interesting. So far, so good, I suppose, right? Let's check in on the Dixie. You know what we do, guys. On the hour, she's trailing, guys. She's starting to, she's turning. I love looking at the 15-minute. Boom. She's just kind of going sideways there, right? Waiting for some dump action. The daily's probably still green, though. Yeah, look at that daily. That's ugly. We need a complete collapse here, guys. So we're going to stay on top of it, though. And what else do we got? Well, we got the Bitcoin dominance is slightly down from where it was this morning, 0.05%, but still holding 55.53% of the market dominance. You hate to see it. What else do we got? All right, so you know what happens next. Check it out, guys. Shorts, $100,000 Bitcoin. You know what happens next, right? Boom, shakalaka. All right, what else? Let's see what Brad Garlinghouse has to say for himself, shall we? It's only a 12-second skit.
I think when you get the real unlock of the United States economy and you get the real institutional money flowing in, I think it's just hard to predict some of the upside opportunity. I think when you
absolutely. We're going way higher than 5 trillion, though, in my opinion. Way higher than that. What else is going on? U.S. presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy to speak at the world's largest Bitcoin conference next month. I can't make it this year, guys, but I definitely want to start going to these events. Do some videos from there. You know what I mean? That would be so much fun. So much fun to start doing that stuff for the channel, right? What else do we got? Giant Bitcoin billboard spotted in Nashville. The biggest Bitcoin conference is coming to Nashville. Check it out, guys. Talk about some advertisement for crypto. Love to see it, guys. Love to see it. A look over at Grayscale's inflows and outflows here. As we can see, Grayscale's Bitcoin inflow and outflow this year. Yes, this is a bloody chart, but appears to be turning in structure as the selling over. Looks like it. This was the beginning of January here, guys. Like, look at the selling pressure we went through, right? This was the peak, obviously, but look how it's been since April. Less and less and less. It's almost non-existent since May 1st, the selling pressure of these Grayscale ETFs. I told you guys this was eventually going to die down, right? And it has. So absolutely awesome. Elon Muff with the super chat, man. What's cracking? Let's go, Jasmine. Thank you so much for the support, brother. And as Max always says, I absolutely love your name too, brother. And the picture to go with it, man. Epic. Absolutely epic, broski. All right. What else do we got? Close some of these windows up here. Hang on. All right. So let's see what the Wolf of all streets has to say for himself. He says spot Ethereum ETFs to attract up to 20% of spot Bitcoin ETF investments. Spot Bitcoin ETF investments. A recent update from Bitfinex head of derivatives, Jag Kuhner, we talked about this already, suggests that spot Ethereum ETFs could capture 10 to 20% of the investment inflows currently directed towards the spot Bitcoin ETFs. He highlighted that the future of Ethereum ETFs will depend on regulatory clarity regarding staking from the SEC. He drew historical parallels, noting that the introduction of gold ETFs led to a significant investment that affected existing gold-related financial products. Also, the introduction of the Ethereum ETF might see fund managers reallocating resources to balance exposure between Bitcoin and Ethereum, mirroring the trends seen with gold and silver ETFs in the past. Fund managers often diversify their ETF portfolios to spread risk and enhance returns. For example, the SBDR Gold Trust GDL revolutionized gold trading by offering the liquid investment vehicle without the need for to physically hold the metal. Similarly, when the iShares Silver Trust was introduced, it attracted funds due to the industrial demand for silver. He believes Ethereum's various use cases could drive similar investment to investment interest. And I would agree, guys. Ethereum is going to be, I think, bigger than Bitcoin's ETF inflows because, as I've said before, there's no outflows, guys. There's no grayscale outflows dumping on the market like there was for BTC. Sorry. So very, very bullish there, guys. Very bullish. All right, so let's get back over to the JASMY chart here. Boom, there we go. All right, so let's get into some more of these comments here. Rodney, I think the Razzle Dazzle coin should have 1992 stolen there. Nice. Hopefully, constantly sharing your content on Facebook has drawn subscribers, Rob. Always with the truth and keeping the faith. I appreciate that, brother. I appreciate that you share my stuff in the JASMY group over on Facebook. It definitely means a lot. We're still stuck at needing 3 subscribers, though, guys. We only need 3 subscribers to get to 5,500. So, guys, if you're watching and you're not subscribed, do us a solid. Smash that subscribe button and push us up over that 55 subscriber level. It would be fantastic. What's up, buddy? Good afternoon, man. It's 11 o'clock at night here now. Thank God I go see Taylor Swift for $100 now. Yes. Thank you, Elizabeth Warren. Thank you. Crypto Queen, how are you? So late. What's up? Just chilling, man. Chilling like a villain. Nicholas, what's up, big dog? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Got to be a dump before we get the pump. Yes, exactly. Like they say, you only miss the light when it's burning low, right, baby? Is there a place to see top 1,500 holders, or is it top 1,000 on CoinMarketCap? Go to EtherScan. Yeah, go to EtherScan. Rob, when you get a chance, what happens if the exchanges dry up on JASMY? Do they have to buy more, or is that it? People have to go hunting for JASMY. Well, I mean, there's no more to buy. Right? Where are they going to buy it from? JASMY as a company doesn't have any coins to sell, right? It's completely decentralized. There's no source to sell them. They would have to try to buy them back, I guess. The exchanges would have to try to buy them from somewhere. I don't know. I mean, once they run out, they run out. That's it. There's no company, like they can't go to Janction or JASMY and say, we need more JASMY coin because they don't have any to give them. Right, so the price would skyrocket to force people to take profits. Yeah, exactly, and then exchanges would balance out their reserves, right? Lily, he was really serious. We're all going to die. Yeah, that's the new entrance to every live stream, guys. We're all going to die. Doomsday, yes. I love Doomtard fringe. Think I'll sell my bags of Swift and hold my JASMY long term. That's what I'm doing in the bull run. He's not wrong that we're all Yeah, okay. You're right. You're right. Yeah. Oh, man. Elon Muff, what's up, brother? Good to have you, man. Good to have you. Rod, what's shaking beast? Robert, what's your take on China getting back into crypto? Can that be massive for Swift? That's going to be massive for the entire market, my friend. But yes, Swift definitely for sure. Same with like XRP, same with JASMY, right? A lot of those projects are very, very big over in Asia. So what's the hype on Pia? It's newer project. I did a short on it the other day to tell you guys about it, but it's a newer meme coin. They just got listed. Hang on, I can't remember where they got listed. I just did a short on it the other day too. Here, let's go have a look at it. It's just meme coin hype, right? That's all. It's up 26% today. Yeah, I told you guys about this about 2 days. Let me see. I'll tell you when I did the video telling you guys about this content or this project. I put that up yesterday. Yeah, yesterday morning I put that out for you guys to get into. We only need 2 more subs now. Only need 2. But yeah, I put that content out for it yesterday morning. If you had got into it when I told you about it, you'd be up, 26%. It was probably up more earlier today, though, to be honest with you. But this pullback probably brought it down quite a bit. So, yeah, just the meme coin hype, right? Over on LBank. I might actually pick some up just for fun, see where it goes, right? Because I think it's going to have a decent run, man. I think it's going to have a decent run. Any news on Panasonic partnership? Well, like I said, man, they're right now currently working on the platform. Janction and Panasonic, they said they were going to spend the next 6 months building out the platform to connect their IoT devices to the PDL, right? So this is going to take about 6 months. So that's what they're doing behind the scenes right now, right? They're working on this platform together in collaboration with Panasonic. So juicy pullback, absolutely, man. How about Sony, Aveda, Aplex, Transcosmos, Apple, Toyota, is NVIDIA next? Funny you should ask, because I just did a video today that comes out. Hang on, let me see here. Let me see. Comes out tomorrow. Yeah, it comes out tomorrow that you guys should watch, because I make some ties to from JASMY to NVIDIA, and I think you guys will find it very, very interesting. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow, guys. Robin is filibuster marathon to 5K for 5K. River, what's going on? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. JASMY going down. What the hell? I bought 20K JASMY yesterday thinking that it was the lowest it was going to go. Like I said, this wick probably, or this candle probably will wick back up over support level on the trend line here. This support level, it'll bounce back up over that. I'm sure you'll wake up tomorrow. Now, is it 100%? Of course not, right? But I'm pretty positive that you'll wake up tomorrow and this will be wicked back up to the upside here between this this support level and the moving average. So I heard Coinbase ran dry. Gonna have to see the bootleggers. Left you with the JASMY bag. War starts Wednesday. XCN's going to be big. Yes, I agree, man. Absolutely, it is. Absolutely, man. Let's pump XCN. All about making money. Yeah, XCN's going to do. Oh, it's going to do so good, guys. Let's actually go over to the chart of XCN. Hang on, I got to bring it up over on KuCoin. So KuCoin always makes you open up like 10 windows just to get to their freaking their charts. Drives me nuts. Drives me nuts. Yeah, so as you can see, hang on, I gotta move this. All right. Yeah, they always make you close so many damn windows. All right, what do we got here? See, oh, you guys aren't even looking at what I'm looking at here. Okay, so see, if we look at the XEN chart, guys, I mean, we are due to break out of this. We've been doing this since probably April, right? April 13th. We've been in this sideways channel, right? And I said we could stay in here, could be for another couple of weeks, because JASMY, when it was in a similar channel here, guys, if you recall, right? JASMY did this identical thing, and I'll show you, okay? Look at this. It's doing exactly what JASMY did. See? Right here, guys. If you see this here, I still have the bull pennant up, right? Look, JASMY did this for 3 months before it broke out of here, right? From February 24th until May 24th, or sorry, May 26th, right? February, so March, April, May, 3 months we went inside this bull pennant sideways, right? Now let's go back over to XCN. Boom, here we are, guys. 2 months right now. We're at 2 months inside of this, right? Is it 2 months? Let me see. Yeah, April 13th to April to June 12th, June 11th, sorry, right? So what is that? April, May, June. So almost 3 months. Almost 3 months we've been in here. So we could break to the upside out of this at any time, exactly like JASMY did, right? It's playing out exactly like JASMY's did, right? Same time period and everything. So I expect a run to the upside, not dissimilar to, hang on. Not dissimilar to Swift. If you remember, Swift did almost the same thing, broke to the upside here, right? We went all the way up to 8 cents too, right? And then now we're back down here because of the market pullback. But point is, we broke to the upside out of this, right? Out of this bull pennant. So I think Swift is next. JASMY did it. Swift did it. Swift is in the process of doing it. I don't think Swift's done yet, right? And XCN is going to happen very, very soon. And a lot of altcoins charts are shaping up the exact same way, guys, right? The exact same way. It's almost like every single altcoin I look at looks very similar in the charts based on this. They're either just breaking out or about to break out of similar patterns right now, right? XCN's holding strong. Yep. You said JASMY at 2 cents, Mr. Real Deal. Got no bags. Picked up 1.25 the other day. Nice. Sorry, I'm just going through some of these. You need a miracle. I don't know, man. I don't know what your mindset is when it comes to JASMY. We need to pump this coin that hasn't pumped yet. XCN will pump. I'm not worried about that. Not at all. Not at all. Well, look at that, guys. We need 1 subscriber to get to 55, guys. 1 subscriber. 23 million XCN. Nice. That is a nice bag, man. I am still in the process of filling mine up, but that is awesome. Congratulations on that bag, man. Congratulations. I love seeing that, man. I love seeing you guys holding these projects that are going to just dominate, man. Just dominate. So, yeah. But that is essentially the news that I have for you guys tonight. And by the way, the RSI over on JASMY and the stochastic RSI are both cooling down very nicely on the daily as well. We're getting some nice resets here. So very, very bullish stuff, guys. So yeah, that's the news as it stands, guys. Be honest, bro. What are you talking about here? Swift Coin and XCN got 1 cent soon. JASMY needs another 100K holders. Yeah, JASMY's going to have tons of holders. There'll be millions of holders. That's what they're trying to do with the PDL. They're going to have every single active PDL wallet has to be counted as a JASMY holder, right? They're aiming for 107 million. Therefore, Reaching their KPI goals will require JASMY to have a minimum of 107 million wallets, right? And if you think that that is not feasible, if you think that's not feasible, 107 million JASMY holders, I would direct your attention to the screen that says Shiba Inu right now has around 1.30 million holders. So if Shiba Inu, with no real utility up to this point, well, it has some now, but as a meme coin, can have 1.3 million holders, you're telling me JASMY can't get to 107 million? I would beg to differ on that. Damn, I've got 8 million and I thought I had a good bag. 8 million is a fantastic bag, man. Fantastic bag. Rob, closing the night on like JASMY all-time high. Oh, the irony. Yes. Not until the end of the month. JASMY's still good. Just the end of the month. Yes. In order for JASMY to pump higher, we need that ASAP. I agree. They need to get that PDL launched and let's get going here, right? We need to drop the ball here. We need to get everything moving. I agree with that 100%. 100% agree with that. Big things popping, little things stopping. All right, guys. So hopefully I helped. Hopefully I helped suppress some of that anxiety, some of that bearishness, some of that worry, guys. Obviously, never financial advice, but take advantage of the situation, right? DCA, if you don't have money to DCA, just put your portfolio away. It doesn't matter, right? Tomorrow you're going to wake up and, this will probably be a green day tomorrow as a result, right? Generally happens. Remember, Wednesday we have the CPI numbers and the FOMC. Guys, big things popping on Wednesday. We could see a run like you could not believe, make you poop your panties for sure. So that is it for tonight, guys. And phone's going off like crazy. Okay, and so yeah, have yourselves a fantastic night, guys. As always, we need one more subscriber, guys, to make it to 5,500. So smash that subscribe button, push us up over, be that one guy. Be that 55th hundred guy or girl and smash that subscribe button. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning for the morning live stream. And hopefully you guys feel a little bit better, man, right? Feel a little bit better. Watch a movie, go to bed, whatever it is, right? It's all good, baby. It's all good, man. It's all good in the hood. So, yeah. All right, guys. Have yourselves a fantastic night. Thank you once again for the super chats. Thank you once again for liking and subscribing. Guys, thank you to all the Patreon members. Thank all of you. Thank you all, guys, because without you guys, right, I would be, it would suck. 5,500 subs. Thank you, guys. Awesome way to end the night. Whoever did that, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. You guys are the best. Thank you so much, guys. We reached the goal. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Have yourselves a fantastic night, guys. Be positive. Tomorrow's going to be a new day. Don't be bearish. If you can't dollar cost average, just put your portfolio away. Doesn't matter. Another day or two, it's going to be green again, right? It's all good in the hood, man. Put some smiles on your faces. Be bearish. Be bullish, guys. We are closer than ever to the parabolic part of the bull run. One more day closer. Let's frickin' go. Have yourselves a fantastic night, guys. Much love. Love all you guys. I'll see you guys in the morning.